Okay, today we're going to go over how to insert a new form to a page or edit one that is already included in the page. So first we're going to navigate to the page that includes a form. Once you get to that page, you should see an element box that already has a form, whether it's active or is already expired, like this one. Then you can go to the gear to edit element. And from here, you can go to the form drop-down menu and select the correct form or the active form. In this case, this one's already expired. So we navigate through our forms to the new year 1819 EHS parent packet form, select the form, and click Save. Once we save it, this form shows up in the space allocated for it. And the last step is to simply hit Publish. Okay, so now let's do that as if we did not have a form at all. So to insert a brand new form, you can go to the hover over one of the content areas and look for the Add Element button. Click it, then navigate the tabs until you get to the modules. Select Form, and that'll give you a default form placeholder. Go to the gear again, which is the Edit Element. Click on that. You have the option to edit the title or also deactivate the title completely so it does not show up on the page like it currently does. So you can turn the title off and just leave the default form title, but have it not display in the form page itself. Then you simply go to the form drop-down menu again, navigate to the correct form you want, (1819) EHS parent packet form, select it, hit Save. The form is now inserted, and you click Publish. It'll prompt you again. Are you sure you want to publish? Click Publish again, and you are done. You can switch the compose mode off, and you'll see what the live version of this form should look like. Okay. Now, one of the things I do recommend most of the time when you do a form is to go ahead and submit a test submission of the form to test everything and make sure everything is good to go. But other than that, this form is ready to go and ready to be linked and used.